Have you ever been trying to film something right in front of your face that you need two hands to do, but you don't have anything to hold the camera? You don't quite have the right spot to put a tripod to make it look nice point of view like you need it to? That's where this magnetic smartphone neck holder comes into play. This thing fits easily around your neck, has straps to help secure it so it stays tight to your chest, and your smartphone snaps right on there. You can have it both looking down where your hands are and straight in front of you for action shots, point of view style, or you can swivel it and have it pointed back up at you, though maybe not the most flattering angle. Also, this mount comes off and you could mount an action camera here if you need to, or you wanted to. The mount itself is heavy duty, easily manipulatable, but stays in place once you have it where you want it, so you can get just the perfect shot you're looking for. The strap is adjustable, fits around a big guy like me, but cinches down and fit a much smaller person too. I actually have my mic clipped on the strap over here. They also give you extra magnetic metal rings to mount to your phone or device if you don't have a magnetic ring built in like this phone case does. I'm looking forward to using this in the kitchen, doing cooking demos, action shots on a scooter or a bike or anything where I'm moving, like driving point of view style. This would be very cool. There's endless ways you could use this. Frees up your hands so you really give that nice point of view look you're trying to give the viewer for their experience. So if you're a content creator or just someone who likes to take good video, I think this will fit what you need it to do. Check it out.